this existence that you have, this life that you have, is beautiful. Is wonderful. And sometimes we forget the importance of being alive. You look at the desert. The time to see the desert is not in summer. But when it rains. Because mysteriously, even the desert holds in it the promise of beautiful life, of delicate, tender flowers. But it needs the rain. Without rain, the rivers don't flow. Three facts. You were born. This is a fact. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. Second, you're alive. Third, you've got to go. But between the two, between the birth and the going, I can do something. And of all the things that I can accomplish, let it be that I am fulfilled, that I know myself. That of all the people I have tried to understand, that I understand myself. Because this is a desert. And I want the rain of peace, and I want the rain of understanding to come. Your spring has come, my friends. Your spring has come. It is time to reach within and resurface the hope for peace in your life. To see that good, to understand that good. To once again know, to once again understand, to once again say yes to what you have ignored for so long, which has been no one else but you. You.